I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Power up the router and confirm your ISP connection so the network is live. Once done, make sure you know the exact SSID and the Wi-Fi password, because mistyped credentials cause failed connections. You should also enable the computer's wireless adapter in network settings or with the hardware switch. This activates scanning. After that, open your system's network menu to list available SSIDs and identify your home network. Ready for the next steps. You select your SSID from the list and enter the password. Use the Show Password option to avoid typos. Next, confirm the security type, prefer WPA3 or WPA2, so encryption is correct. Your computer will usually use DHCP to obtain an IP automatically. Only use a static IP if you know gateway, subnet mask, and DNS. Save the network profile for automatic reconnection. Finally, once connected, open a browser and ping the router IP to verify local connectivity before external testing. Once connected, verify internet access by loading a website. If pages won't load, restart the router and modem to refresh the link. Make sure your OS and wireless drivers are up to date, then reboot the computer to clear residual faults. If authentication fails repeatedly, forget the network and re-enter credentials carefully or reset network settings as a more thorough step. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily move closer to the router to rule out signal issues before deeper configuration changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.